Latest social media updates. X looks to add verified only reply option on posts as it continues to push paid subscriptions. Google to block Bard's shared chats from showing in Google search. Microsoft advertising network for retail launches in the US. Reddit launches Gold program that will see top contributors/mods paid for their efforts. Google Podcasts to shut down in 2024 with listeners migrated to YouTube Music. Threads to let you delete your account without leaving Instagram. Meta expanding Facebook and Instagram paid verification to business accounts. Google is killing Gmail's basic HTML view in 2024. Google indexing public Bard conversations in search results. Microsoft adding new security features to Windows 11. Microsoft is rolling out support for Passkeys in Windows 11. X's coming audio and video calling options are likely to be exclusive to premium subscribers. YouTube updates monetization guidelines on certain sensitive topics. Snapchat launches new 16-bit game which guides participants through the pitching process. TikTok implements self-attributing networks, SAN, to improve ad performance tracking. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.